Namaskara. It's a pleasure to invite our esteemed alumni, parents, students, and my dear team members. Or I would say it's a pleasure to invite Yes family.
So to give you a context, Yes Germany is one of India's oldest, trusted, and an education service provider which has been dealing only in Germany from past almost 2 decades.
I was one among you guys, like a student here in Bangalore dreaming about going to Germany, and that's how my journey also started.
I saw the word Yes Germany. I didn't know what it was. I just walked in and asked them. And then I came to know that they consult students who want to go to Germany. That's how our interaction started.
There is one student of ours who yesterday only received his visa, Naresh Reddy. So I would like to invite him on stage.
I've done my bachelor's in business administration at CMR College, Banaswadi. I got my visa today morning, and I have around 4 years experience in the e-commerce industry. I actually had to go to Australia last year. One of my uncle, who's a citizen of Australia, just told me not to come there because of the conditions. Sindhu has been very helpful, and she was always coordinating with me, and whenever I had queries or anything, she used to just promptly answer to those. So looking forward to be there in Germany in the next 1 week. So thank you guys.
Oh, she has received her visa today, if I'm not wrong, yesterday. Okay, Sandra, please come on the stage.
Okay, hi guys, I'm Sandra and I've done my bachelor's from Christo Jayanti College and I'm going to do my master's in Germany. My journey with Yes Germany has been really amazing. They have helped me in each and every step with all the documentations. And how I found out about Yes Germany was through their social media. It was really amazing how active they were, and all their videos were so interesting. And literally even they help when students go read Germany, which was really good to see, and I haven't seen maybe any other consultancy do that. I would really like to thank Ms. Shweta and Ms. Aditya for all their efforts and for answering each and every questions that I had, for always being available. Thank you so much.
So you attended the event today. I just wanted to know how was the experience?
Got a good clarity, and I'm interested to join Yes Germany and take their services.
Yeah, it was all good.
Whatever doubts I was having while going through this process, all the doubts I have cleared today.
It was actually good, and they have prepared us dinner, which
Actually, I had a great day. It was very nice, and I didn't expect it. Yeah, it was very good. I cleared out all my doubts I had. So I was nervous as well because my father was not there with me. So I tried my best and cleared my doubts. I'll be flying maybe by November mid. So we're hoping for the best. Excited, plans work out. Very excited and very grateful.
Because the process of Germany is a bit lengthy.
Yeah.
It is like that.
Yeah.
But yeah, because they are very proper in documentation. So really we appreciate the Yes Germany platform. And even I just encourage the youngsters to go and contact with Yes Germany.
He cleared all our doubts. So he told prefer Yes Germany more. So you ask the questions more to them about certifications, then scholarships, everything. So it will be useful.
like my mom told, German was good for education and stuff. So yeah, okay, fine, Yes Germany.
So it was actually pleasant event, and then what doubts we had, actually it was clarified. That was the main motive of this event.
Yes.
And then we got an experience to speak who had already went over there, and then got the real-time experience from them. So that was a plus one for me.
It was good. It was very informative. It is confident, people can actually go there. It was helpful.
So have you started learning German?
Yes, my
English is going on. So I would suggest at least A2 and B1. Do it in India, maybe A2 at least, and then continue your language in Germany.
I'm going for A2 right now because after going there also I'll be continuing.
Yeah, definitely you have to, because it's gonna help you for the jobs.
And it was actually 10 on 10 experience today because we had an session where we had very interactive session, like we could understand how they felt while going and how we are going to feel. So it was all around 10 on 10 experience.
So your process is going on?
Yeah, it's going on.
Okay, like the admission I would complete, right?
Yeah.
तो आपको Yes Germany के बारे में कैसे पता लगा?
Online and social media.
Social media.
And the reviews were very nice in the event we attended it today. It was.
So now, of course, now you have friends there, so then it's the very best thing. But today you met other alumni as well. So how was the experience?
Experience was really great, I say, because this meet made new friends for me who are already in Germany.
Definitely.
So knowledge, yeah, about this, more about networking and stuff.
Yeah, definitely. Today you attended the event and you are targeting Germany for bachelors. How was the experience?
It was good. I learned a lot. It was nice. Actually, I got to know about so much in this meeting, and I think even I could be successful like them.